Dante Certification Program Level 3. Now that you understand what QoS is and how it functions, let's think about why. Why do we use QoS? QoS techniques can help extend performance further into a region where bandwidth limitations might otherwise cause problems. This helps to squeeze more out of the infrastructure, especially if you're running a link at over 60, 70 to 80% utilization. It's useful if you're mixing 100 megabits per second and 1 gigabit per second in the same network, or if you're running a shared services network. Now, remember, QoS is not magic. It cannot manufacture better performance. In fact, with QoS off, that's when you sort of get the best performance. It's when you start introducing QoS that you actually start degrading things as you go along. So, start without QoS and see if you really need it, and then take it from there. Here's a simple fact. The best QoS available is bandwidth. Why? It's cheap, plentiful, and easy to use. And Dante will present a predictable peak load to the system. This should enable you to ensure that the network is appropriately dimensioned. Some key things to remember are Dante devices transmit relatively small, fixed-size packets that are nicely distributed by the transmitter. This helps to minimize queuing in the switch and greatly reduces the need for QoS to achieve good performance. The traffic that Dante devices deliver is actually engineered in a way that it's not going to overwhelm the switch. You can be assured that it's not going to stress the switch at all. So, use QoS sparingly and only when necessary.